You've seen the movies, hackers in hoodies, green code flying by at lightning speed. It looks glamorous, maybe a little dangerous, and definitely intriguing. We've all been captivated by the image of the lone wolf hacker, single-handedly taking down corporations or uncovering government secrets with a few keystrokes. But real hacking? It's about protecting, not breaking. It's a complex field that requires a deep understanding of systems, networks, and security protocols. Ethical hackers are the digital world's guardians, the ones who stand between us and those who would exploit vulnerabilities for their own gain. Kali Linux is your toolkit for this world. It's the operating system of choice for cybersecurity professionals and ethical hackers around the globe. Think of it as your digital Swiss Army knife, packed with everything you need to assess and improve security. It's a specialized version of Linux, built from the ground up with security in mind. It's not your everyday operating system. It's designed for a specific purpose, to help you find and fix vulnerabilities. Loaded with hundreds of cybersecurity tools, from network scanners to password crackers, vulnerability analyzers to forensic tools, Kali has it all. These tools are constantly updated and refined by a dedicated community of security experts. Built by Offensive Security, a leading provider of information security training and certifications, Kali Linux is more than just a collection of tools. It's a platform for learning, experimenting, and pushing the boundaries of cybersecurity. Kali is designed for penetration testing, the art of simulating real-world attacks to identify weaknesses in a system's defenses. It's like hiring a team of burglars to try and break into your house, so you can identify and fix the weak spots before a real burglar does. Finding weaknesses before the bad guys do. By proactively searching for vulnerabilities, you can help organizations stay one step ahead of cyber criminals and protect their valuable data. Imagine a company hires you to test their website's defenses. They're trusting you to find any potential flaws that could be exploited by malicious actors. You use Kali to probe, report, and help them fix vulnerabilities. You provide them with a detailed report outlining the weaknesses you found and offering recommendations on how to address them. The world needs ethical hackers, skilled professionals who can use their knowledge for good. People who think like attackers to defend data. They understand the tactics and techniques used by cybercriminals, and they use that knowledge to build stronger defenses. Learning Kali is your first step into this high-demand field. Cybersecurity is one of the fastest-growing industries in the world, and the demand for skilled professionals is only going to increase in the years to come. It's the industry standard, a tool that's recognized and respected by cybersecurity professionals worldwide, used by pros everywhere, from small startups to large corporations, government agencies to nonprofit organizations. Kali Linux is an essential tool for protecting digital assets. Don't worry if you're new. The world of cybersecurity can seem daunting at first, but everyone starts somewhere. We'll break it down step by step, no jargon. We'll guide you through the process of installing Kali Linux, configuring your environment, and using the essential tools. By the end, you'll have Kali running, know your way around, and feel comfortable using the command line. And be ready to start your journey into the exciting world of ethical hacking. This is just the beginning, but it's a crucial first step. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to try, a desire to learn, a passion for problem solving, and a commitment to ethical behavior are the most important qualities you can bring to this field. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, find a quiet space where you can focus, and let's dive into ethical hacking. Get ready to explore the world of cybersecurity and discover the power of Kali Linux. This is your ticket to an exciting, meaningful career. A career where you can make a real difference in the world by protecting individuals and organizations